welcome to Diaries. Today we are going to see the history of Attapadi forest in Kerala. So we'll go for the geographical and ecological context of Attapadi, and it is a mountain valley at the foothills of Nilagiri Hills, lying along Western Ghats and UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a part of Silent Valley ecosystem and home to diverse flora and fauna, including many endemic and endangered species. The Bhavani River, a tributary of Kaveri, originates here and nourishes the valley. So there are indigenous communities are there, so we can see them while you are going to that, and there are so many tribes, huts are there. Attapadi has long inhabited by indigenous tribal communities. These tribes have practiced shifting cultivation and animism and nature worship for centuries. And the colonial and pre-colonial era, in the pre-colonial era, Attapadi was a part of Malabar region and ruled by local chieftains and influenced by kingdoms like Vijayanagara Empire and later Mysore Kingdom. And during British colonial rule, the forests were classified as reserve forest under Forest Acts, and limiting tribal rights and increasing the state control over forest resources. This period also saw the introduction of plantation crops in nearby regions, which impacted traditional forest use. And we'll dive to the post-independence developments. After Indian independence in 1947, Attapadi was declared as a tribal block to protect the interest of indigenous population. So it's such a tranquil location. Everyone, you should visit this location. I'm very glad to be there, and the safari into the forest it's amazing, and it's astonishing factors you can explore during the safari. Here